kind of tied to that, this talking about language and internet. I know you've done some work for with Global Voices.
Yes.
If you could just take a moment and just explain what is Global Voices? What's the it's a website, but what is the point of that?
Yeah.
That website.
Okay. Global Voices is a world blog, I can say, which is here to translate in different languages. For example, there are, I think, I don't know exactly, but 18 or 19 languages in which they translate.
I think at least, yeah.
Yes, and I am among the group which translate from English to French. Mm-hmm. And I found this website very interesting because when an information is translated to more languages, it permits to a lot of people to understand what is happening overside of the world. Mm-hmm. That's why I am very interested in working with Global Voices to translate news and let it at the disposal of other people. For example, Mali speak French. After our native languages, we are a French country. And when information is at English, more Malian can't access to this information. Mm-hmm. But when we translate from English to French, immediately this information is at the disposal of all Malians. And in the future, I am thinking about introducing or using Bambara in Global Voices.
I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, in cases of translating from English or French to Bambara, because there are very, very interesting information we can get on Global Voices website. Mm-hmm. And I am sure when we put this information in Bambara, it permits to rural people in Mali to get over information different from the event that happened in our country. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Personally for me, I know Global Voices was important for me because I was in Côte d'Ivoire last year.
Yes.
And I have friends there, and I was following la crise, the crisis, the post-election crisis, very closely. And there was so much. The American media and English-speaking media wasn't really covering the story well, but there was a lot of French, at least French media and African media in French, that was covering the story. But it's hard, to get that information if you just speak English. And I know they translated a lot of those stories into English, so it was very, for me personally, it was a very important site, just understanding what was actually happening there.